Hello everyone. On a beautiful occasion today, I will present about the country of New Zealand. At this time, I will introduce you about this country. Full country name is New Zealand. Capital New Zealand is Wellington. Total area in New Zealand is 269,000 square kilometer. Population in New Zealand are 4,142,000 people. People at New Zealand, 88% Europeans and 100, 100, 125 Maori and Polynesian. Language in New Zealand are English and Maori. Religion in New Zealand is predominantly Christian at 81%. Head of State of New Zealand is Queen Elizabeth II, represented by Government General. Form of government first is form of government is constitutional monarchy. Here is now I will introduce about this country. New Zealand is a country in the southwestern Pacific Ocean, comprising two large islands, the North Island and the South Island, and numerous smaller islands, most notably Stewart Island or Raikura and the Chatham Island. In Maori, New Zealand has come to be known as Aotearoa, which is usually translated into English as the land of the long white cloud. The realm of New Island and the realm of New Zealand also include the Cook Island and Niue, which are self-governing but in free association, Tokelau and the Ross Dependency. New Zealand is notable for its geography isolation, being separated from Australia to the northwest by the Tasman Sea, approximately 2,000 kilometers across. Its close neighbors to the north are New Caledonia, Fiji, and Tonga. Quick facts from New Zealand. Largest river is Waikato. Largest lake is Taupo. Highest point is Mount Cook. National Day is Waitangi Day, 6 February, since 1840. Major industry in New Zealand is wood and paper products, wool, textile, iron, and steel. Currency in New Zealand is an New Zealand dollar. National symbol New Zealand is kiwi, and national anthem in New Zealand is God Defend New Zealand. Now you will know about national symbol in New Zealand. First, the flag of New Zealand. The flag of New Zealand is the face blue in sign with the Union flag in the canton and 4 red stars with wild borders to the right. The stars represent the constellations of Crux, the Southern Cross, as seen from New Zealand. The flag proportion is 1.2 and the colors are red, blue, and white. Proportion and color are identical to the Union flag. Second, the shield of the emblem. The shield of the emblem is supported by two figures, a blonde Pakeha woman holding the New Zealand flag and a Maori warrior holding a taiha. The shield is topped with the St. Edward's crown, and beneath the shield there are two silver fern leaves and a scroll bearing the words New Zealand. National symbol in New Zealand is kiwi bird. Kiwi bird was named so for the sound of its chirp. This flightless bird, about the size of a domestic hen, has an, has an extremely long beak and plumage more like hair than feathers. It has no tail, almost no wings. Its weight about 2 kilograms. The female kiwi lays only one egg, but it is about 1 or 5 years of her own weight. After laying it, she leaves her husband, who has the egg out. The New Zealand dollar is frequently called the kiwi. The dollar coin features a kiwi bird on one side. National currency in New Zealand. We know that the currency is New Zealand dollar. New Zealand dollar it also circulates in the Cook Island, Niue, Tokelau, and Pitcairn Island. It is often informally known as the Kiwi from the word Kiwi typically being associated with New Zealand and the fact the $1 coin depicts a kiwi. Now I will now you will know about Maori people in New Zealand. The Maori people are indigenous people of New Zealand. Maori Tonga is the native language. It is believed that the Maori migrate from Polynesia in canoes about the 9th century to 13th century end. The Maoris live in tribes called iwi. They lived in village and were fishermen, hunters, and farmers. The present Maori population has increased to about 240,000, and the Maori live in all parts of New Zealand, but predominantly in the North Island where the climate is warmer. Now, I will tell you about the most populated place. The most the most populated place is North Island. The North Island is one of two main islands of New Zealand. The island is 113,729 square kilometer in area, making it the world's 14th largest island. It has a population of 3,149,400. Several important cities are in the North Island as Auckland and Wellington, the capital. Approximately 76% of New Zealand's population lives in the North Island. Now I will tell you a little about the capital city of New Zealand. Yes, Wellington. Wellington is the capital of New Zealand, the, the country's second largest urban area and the most populous national capital in Oceania. The population is about 449,000 people. Wellington is New Zealand political centre, housing parliament and the head office of all government ministries and departments, plus the bulk of the foreign diplomatic missions based in New Zealand. So far, that's all the presentation that I can bring. Thank you. God bless you.